Yeah, buddy, it's your boy Big B.
And your girl Nikki J. And today we are making grilled portobello mushroom caps. So yes, we like meat. We are not vegan. We're not paleo. We're not any kind of, there isn't a title for it. We just eat food that exists in nature. If it's healthy, we're eating it.
Yeah, but you forgot one thing though.
What?
Anytime we start a video, we gotta take a sip of wine before it's time to start the video. So I'm gonna take my sip right now. You can join me if you want to.
All right, I'm getting the mushrooms ready. So your portobello mushrooms, you want to wipe these guys off, make sure they're clean. I was actually reading that you're not supposed to rinse them because they'll absorb water. It's going to change the texture of your mushrooms and make them mushy, and we don't want that. So we're going to pull the stems off of the portobellos, wipe these guys down. I've already done that. First step we're going to do a marinade, and it's going to marinate for 15 minutes. So in this marinade, it calls for balsamic vinegar, but I'm going to try Worcestershire sauce because I want to try something a little different. So 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and no, I don't always measure because, oops, and I didn't shake that up.
I'm like, how is that 2 tablespoons? Well, if it's 3 tablespoons, I guess we just messed up. But I trust her judgment, except she didn't mix it up, she didn't shake it up. It's about to go down.
Okay.
That was like 5 tablespoons.
I got it.
I'm just saying.
It's gonna taste good.
Man, that's all that matters. Yeah, buddy, y'all ain't gonna believe this, but this is my first time actually trying this menu. I mean, not this menu, but these mushrooms with my wife. And look, I wanted a steak. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get like this from eating mushrooms, but I know you probably can get like that from eating mushrooms. But it's okay. I'm gonna trust my baby's judgment and see what she got on this menu today. It's about to go down. Let's go, baby. Put some of that stuff in there. What's that?
This is extra virgin olive oil. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And no, I don't always measure, guys. So
there she goes.
I'm letting you know.
Hey, but if it tastes good, if it smells good, man, it's about to go down. It's gonna be all the way good. Let's go. We got, what's that say?
Coconut aminos.
We got coconuts. We got cocoa nuts, y'all.
This is.
I ain't talking about these nuts. I'm talking about cocoa nuts.
Honey, okay.
You messing up the mic.
Oh, my bad.
It's going down.
This is coconut aminos. This is soy free. We don't do soy sauce because of the soy and increase your estrogen levels. We just don't do soy.
Fellas,
so,
no soy.
And it doesn't have all the sodium. Soy sauce has a ton of sodium. I like to use this instead, and I feel like it has better flavor. So this is coconut aminos. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos plus even sodium. There's only 270 milligrams of sodium in this. I'm gonna shake this up.
Oh, okay. But guys, man, look, that soy, don't do it. You'll be walking around here with man boobs. I'm just telling you, because it causes high estrogen levels in men, and it also kills your natural production of testosterone. You don't want to do that. So, safe way to go. Coconut oil. Yeah, buddy.
Coconut aminos.
Yeah, buddy. What's the next ingredient, baby? What we got there?
Next ingredient is onion powder. So we're gonna add, calls for a teaspoon of onion powder. Everyone, we got this recipe from the Ela Vegan blog, so I'll post a link to it. Give them some credit for the base recipe. I'm judging it a little bit, so shake some of that.
Let me shake it up. Shake it up, baby.
So
twist and shout.
It says
what? How much?
Teaspoon, but I mean
a teaspoon. Let me measure. I can measure with my naked eye.
Open the other end.
Okay, let me do it that side. Let me do it with my naked eye.
Yeah, because your naked eyes can't see.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
That should be good. That's good.
That's good right there. That's good right there. Yeah. That's the naked eye.
Next. So we started making this. We're supposed to have smoked paprika, and I just ran out because I made some veggie burgers the other day. But I have this.
I said, baby, I'll go back to the grocery store right now.
I didn't want to have to go back. So
you know what I'm saying?
I do have this South African smoke seasoning. Another guy, Trader Joe's, y'all. Trader Joe's.
Smoke African, goddammit.
So we're going to try this in here because it has paprika in it and smoke flavor. So
let me twist.
You twist.
How many twists? How many twists does the recipe say? Let's see.
It says a teaspoon of paprika.
1 twist, paprika. 2 twists, 3 twists, 4 twists, 5 twists, 6 twists, 7 twists, 8 twists, 9 twists, and 10 twists. It goes down. Let me give it 2 more. When you can't do no more, give me 2 more. When you can't do no more, give me 3 more. 2, 3. I think that's enough. Yeah, buddy, it just went down. Another sip of wine will make you cook just fine. Because my name is Brian.
Well,
It's going down.
in the meantime, next ingredient is cumin. So, 1/3 teaspoon of cumin. Oh, so like an itty bit.
Wait a minute, you said human?
Cumin, honey.
Human?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you said you cooking with humans.
So this is one, honey.
How are the humans?
So this is one I get from Costco. Get your stuff in bulk from Costco. It will save you so much money in the long run. It will not only save you money, but it will save you time because you don't have to keep making trips to the grocery store. Like Costco, you might spend $200 for the month instead of going to the grocery store every Friday and spending $100 here and $100 there. So
oh yeah, Costco is a great way to go. Cooking with humans
is a strong seasoning. So
strong. You want it to be strong. Y'all see?
It's actually one of the a good base for taco seasoning. So cumin, got that in there, and we're going to whisk.
Let me swirl it.
We're going to whisk it all together. You're going to make a mess. You're gonna make a mess in my kitchen.
I got it under control.
Okay.
Y'all see the wrist?
That's pretty good.
Yeah, buddy. It's going down. I know how to stir it up.
So next, we're going to marinate the mushrooms.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, buddy. The next ingredient is what, baby?
Crushed garlic. Now, I put this in everything. If you want your healthy food to taste good, there's 2 things I use as a base in like everything. I'm just not using whole onions today, but it's onions and crushed garlic, not minced garlic. I used minced garlic for years, and then I did an Instacart order and they accidentally got me crushed garlic, and I've been in love with it ever since because it gives a different flavor. You know this difference too.
Well, one thing that I didn't know that it was called ish. She said she put this ish in everything, and I don't know what that ish. What's the ish? That's what I don't know.
I'm trying to refrain from.
Wait a minute, you said ish. I thought it was garlic. Hold on, let me do it.
Oh,
I want to have some fun. I want to have some fun too.
2 teaspoons.
Man.
Crushed garlic makes everything taste good.
We dig it out.
Like, don't be gentle. Like,
1.
I like to use a lot of it. It's not going to give you an overpowering flavor. As long as you don't put like mounds of it in there, you're going to be good.
Yeah, buddy. That's 1.5. That's 1.5.
And we need like a full.
I got to get the ooh-wees out of here.
That with the coconut aminos. So
that's what's up right there. Yes, minced garlic. Psych. Crushed garlic. Psych. It's going down.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna watch you do that.
No, I wasn't gonna do that. I'm gonna start choking up in here. Yeah, buddy. Now it's time to dip, baby. Dip, baby.
So we are going to
dip, baby. Dip. Dip, baby.
We're never gonna make it to dinner. Dip. We're never gonna make it.
Yeah, buddy.
We're gonna be eating dinner tomorrow morning. So we're going to take the portobello mushroom caps and dip them. This is the bowl of marinade. We're gonna dip them in the marinade. Make sure there's some marinade on each side, and then we're going to put them in Ziploc bags as we get ready to take these guys down to the grill. That was a good job, honey.
Thank you, baby. And I'm gonna dip another one. Dip, baby, dip. Oh, dip. Yeah, buddy. I like that song. Dip, baby, dip.
Now you can make these in the skillet as well, but it's grilling season. I'm gonna grill until it gets too cold outside to grill, and even then I probably
We still be outside grilling in 30 below zero. Not 30 below, maybe 20 degrees, maybe 30 degrees, but not 20 below. I was just joking. I don't know Chicago like that.
I'll be out there with a hot chocolate.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, buddy. Here we go. This is the 3rd one.
All right, and about to make our trip down to the grill. We grill.
Now we go on the grill, y'all. Yeah, buddy, y'all seen us marinating these portobello mushrooms. Now it's time to throw them on the grill. The wind is blowing out here, y'all. It's the Windy City. That's what they call it. They call it the Windy City. So we out here in the wind doing this for you because we want you to know that we want you to try these too. So it's going down. Here we go. First portobello. I'm going to put it on the back. I am putting them inside the grill basket. Yeah, buddy, keeps it from sticking even. Oh, yeah. And the second one right in the middle. Yeah, buddy. I think we should be able to get at least 3 to 5 on here. Okay, that's the 3rd one. All right. Let's go. That's 4. And this is the 5th one. So now Now, I'm gonna leave these grilling for anywhere between 4 to 5 minutes and then flip them to the other side. So let's go. So close this up. Gotta put the latch on. Yeah, buddy. And then slide them on the grill. I said, slide it on the grill. I said, one more time, slide it on the grill. And it's goings downs. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I can't wait to taste how these gonna taste. I know my baby, she know what she's doing. She's the only Nikki J doing it all today. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, so the reason why we use a grill basket is to keep things from sticking. It also makes it easier to flip. Even when we do fish, especially when we do fish, you know, that fish has that texture that will stick to the grill with the quickness. So, man, because like she said, there's no fat. Because this is a great way to go. Like right now, I'm about to flip these because they've been on here for like 3 to 4 minutes already. So I'm gonna flip it. Yeah, buddy. And there we go. Yeah, we got 5 of them in there. We got 5 more to cook. So I'm gonna shut this down for a few more minutes so they cook a little bit faster. And it goes down. So you heard it from me, your boy Big B, and these mushrooms, you see. Yeah. Man, oh man, oh man. It's about to go down. Now y'all saw what we were preparing to go downstairs on the grill to prepare the something mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms. Y'all saw that in the beginning when we first started this, you know what I'm saying? So now it's the finished product inside this aluminum foil pan. So here we go. We just came back from the grill. Yeah, buddy. I know they don't look like the most attractive things, but it's a mushroom. It's a fungus. You know what I'm saying? So it's not supposed to be pretty, but it's supposed to taste pretty. So let me see if it tastes pretty. All right, let me grab one. Any, mini, mighty, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he holler, let him go. Any, mini, mighty, mo. I want this one. I changed up the mo. Here we go. Portobello mushrooms. Here we go. I'm tripping. This tastes like for real meat. This tastes like a steak. Man, this is good. It's goings down. And we're gonna have some salad with it later on. It's about to go down. This is terrific. You gotta follow this recipe. Now, the only Nikki J shared it with you. It's goings down in the kitchen. It's your boy Big B.